ever wished you have an extra hour in a day to focus on your YouTube channel? Imagine a situation where you can shoot, edit your videos with ease without no stress at all. This video delves into the best apps that can help you take control of your workflow and unlock your YouTube potential. Stick and stay with me. When I first started, it was a hell of headache, from generating video ideas to shooting the videos to editing the videos and then to posting it online. But when I discovered these apps, it actually made my work very easy, especially as a beginner in content creation. The first app is ChatGPT. We are really underestimating this app as content creators, especially beginner content creators. But it's an amazing app that can really help your workflow to be easier. Now, when I started without the knowledge of ChatGPT, it was really very difficult for me to generate video ideas. But when I discovered ChatGPT, it became easier for me. It can actually generate a numerous video ideas for you in just seconds. So you don't have to sit down to plan for video ideas, which might take you days to get one or two better video ideas. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT. For example, my niche is tutorial, so I can type, give me 10 best video ideas about YouTube growth tutorials, and then fast forward in seconds, it will generate for you awesome video ideas. Now, after getting these video ideas, you will need to take them one by one to shoot your videos. Now, we all know that to be able to shoot a better video, you will need to put down or pen down a script for the video. With ChatGPT again, you just need to enter the video title and then it will generate the script for you, a standard YouTube video script for you that you will be working with. When I discovered ChatGPT, I can create 2 to 3 better video ideas, and then the script. I can also generate 2 to 3 scripts for those videos and then actually be able to shoot at least one video per day. Previously, it used to take me like 2 to 3 days to be able to generate a better video idea so that I can work with. And even after generating the video idea, it will still take me like 1 to 2 days to pen down the script, a proper script for the video before shooting. But ChatGPT has really made it very easy for me to work with. So now my workflow has really been easy and the workload is reduced. Fellow upcoming content creators, I urge you to actually utilize this app. It's very helpful. So after generating your video IDs and putting down the script, the next line of action is to shoot the video. But we all know how boring and tiresome that can be, especially if you have a low quality phone as an upcoming creator. So that brings us to app number 2, and the name of the app is Open Camera. This app actually supports both Android and iOS. So if you have an Android phone, you can use it. If you also have an iPhone, you can also use it. Now, this Open Camera is really helpful as an upcoming creator. Why? Because Most of us upcoming creators have low quality phones with low quality cameras. But with this open camera, you can shoot videos like you are using a high quality camera to do so. All you need to do is simply download the app and then make some settings on the app, or you make some changes in the settings, and then you are good to go. You'll be able to produce that standard script that has been generated for you by ChatGPT. So Open Camera is one of the best apps that we can make use of as upcoming content creators. Those of us with low quality phones which do not have high quality camera resolutions. Now, after shooting your video with the open camera for high quality, the next thing to do is to edit the video before uploading it into your channel. We also know how tiresome this aspect of content creation is, especially if you don't have the good apps, the subscribe apps with the premium subscriptions. It's really, really very difficult to get a quality edited video for your channel. But I also discovered this app called UCut, which is very, very helpful to me. In fact, since I discovered it, it has been easy for me to edit my videos. When I first started, I was using CapCut free version, but after editing one or two videos, I realized that I could not do anything to get rid of the watermark, the CapCut watermark. And also, I could not add music because I am using the free version. I could not add audio or sound to my video. And then the quality of the video too, I could not export the video in 4K with the free version. So I was stuck, and because of that I couldn't do more videos because I couldn't edit my videos until I discovered this app called UCut. It's really an amazing app for upcoming creators especially. Now, with the UCut editing app, it also has the premium version and then the free version. But one thing I like about it is that with the free version, you don't need to worry about watermark. There is nothing like watermark in the free version. Also, when you are exporting the video, you can export it in high quality, I mean in 4K, without the premium subscription. When I first did the first 2-3 videos with the CapCut, which I was able to remove the watermark after watching an ad and then using the UCut free version, I compared the two videos that I edited and I realized that the cinematic view in the UCut editing app is actually quality and clearer than that of the CapCut editing app. So from then, I put the CapCut app aside and I'm using the UCut editing app. And that is the app I actually use to edit this video. Another thing is in the UCut editing app, the free version actually, the transitions are available even offline. You don't need to be online to get some of the features like the CapCut, which you have to be online to have data before you can be able to use some of the features. With the UCut, offline editing is possible. The transitions are there, the filters are there, no watermark. You can export your video in high quality 4K. So it's really, really also an amazing app for upcoming content creators like us. Those that are popular creators, they have the devices and then they are subscribed to some of these good and better apps, video editing apps, and then all sort of apps. So it makes their workflow really easier. But that doesn't mean that as a small content creator who cannot afford those apps and then devices, you cannot also make your workflow easier. These three amazing apps that I just shared with you has really helped my workflow to move smoothly, easier, and faster. Because initially I could find a video idea in like 2 days, generate the script in also like 1 to 2 days, then another day for shooting and then editing. So it takes me like maximum 4 days to be able to do a video, which at the end is not always of high quality as I expected. But when I finally discovered this app, from generating of the ideas and the scripting from chat GPT in seconds, then turning the ideas into videos in the open camera, high quality camera, and then also editing the videos in the UCut app. Everything has really been easier for me. So please do try these three apps, especially if you are an upcoming content creator. Please, if this video has been helpful to you, do not forget to like and leave your comments in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you very much for your time today. Bye.